Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can change or adjust the line indent for your documents on Google Docs. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your document on Google Docs, and as you can see, I prepared the document like this one here for the sake of this tutorial. So basically what you will need to do, guys, is skip to the next line, type in your text, and so on and so forth. And if you'd like to change or adjust the indent for that line, all you will need to do, guys, is click into the left edge of that line here. And after that, click on that triangle here at the top, that blue small triangle on your ruler. Left click onto it, hold your left mouse and drag it to the left or to the right to adjust your line indent for the given line. Just like that. As you can see, now the text has moving along with that triangle here to the left. And if I move it to the right, the line indent will be moved to that space or to that line here. And that's basically it. That's how you change the indent line for your documents on Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.